More and more achievements have been made by the Jakarta-Bandung High-Speed Railway project. Today, the project celebrated the arrival of the first rails in Tegaluar Depot, Bandung. In December, the first batch of 50-meter long rails from China for the Jakarta-Bandung High-Speed Railway arrived at Indonesian Central Java Province's port city, Cilacap. The first batch contains 8,000 tons of rails. They were stored in the rail yard in Cilacap and gradually transported to Tegaluar Depot, Bandung. The arrival of the rails will speed up and lay important foundation for the next stage of construction. The arrival marks significant progress of the track laying for the mega project. With the arrival of the rails, now the track laying works can begin in Tegaluar Depot. The track in Tegaluar will significantly support the next stage of development. The Jakarta-Bandung High-Speed Railway will connect Indonesian capital Jakarta to the fourth largest city, Bandung. After the completion, the travel time between the two cities would be significantly slashed from existing over 3 hours to 40 minutes. It will boost economic growth and connectivity between the two cities.